Caring Unveiled with Jarrett Stull.
Welcome to Caring Unveiled, a quarterly program brought to you by Memorial Health Foundation. This series is our way of connecting with you, our generous supporters, and offering a behind-the-scenes look at the compassionate care being delivered across our region. In each episode, we'll introduce you to the dedicated team members who serve our communities, highlight the life-changing services available close to home, and shine a light on the mission-driven work happening every day at Memorial Health System. We're thrilled to have you with us for this episode as we are on site in Sistersville, West Virginia. Today's guest is Jason Suter, Hospital Administrator at Sistersville General Hospital. Jason is here to talk about the services available at Sistersville, the impact the hospital is making in the community, and some exciting developments on the horizon. Jason, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Jared.
Well, Jason, I know you have been part of Sistersville General Hospital for a long time before it was part of Memorial Health System. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and how long you've been here?
Sure. I've lived in Tyler County most of my life. I grew up here. Outside of going to college, I've lived here my entire life. So after college, I also had the privilege of working here, 15 years as a supervising physical therapist, and then I took this new role as a hospital administrator.
And how long have you been in your new role?
A couple months. So
that's right.
So pretty fresh into this role. So I'm enjoying it so far.
Right.
It's a great place to work.
Well, it's neat that you were part of physical therapy, helping care for patients here, and now stepping into this role to help lead the hospital. And Sistersville General Hospital is one of the critical access hospitals in the state. Can you tell us a little bit about what that means?
Sure. So critical access hospitals are typically in rural communities. So that means you need to be about 35 miles from another hospital. However, with our terrain around here, it's 15 miles, because there's a lot of back roads. There's no major highways here. So that kind of puts us right in the critical access hospital category.
Right. And I know it's essential for critical access hospitals to have an emergency department here. Do you want to talk a little bit about the emergency department and some of the other services that are here today?
Absolutely. So our emergency room is great. They stabilize patients, from the back of the county. There's not a lot of help out there. So as squads bring them in, they stabilize them here. There's a few rooms down there. And then we immediately transport them out or sometimes keep them. We do have a floor here as well. We have acute beds as well as a swing bed department. That's our main focus lately, especially going into the new hospital. We also have radiology services, respiratory, physical therapy, and we also have some clinics as well.
So a lot of services happening here. Even though it's a small hospital, you're really taking care of the community in a big way. And you mentioned swing beds. For those that may not fully understand that terminology, can you talk a little bit about what swing beds are?
Absolutely. So swing beds, we kind of look at it as, you're not quite ready to go home, but you need a little bit of therapy or some other services, some nursing care prior to going home. You're just not quite ready to take care of yourself yet. So typical stay is, 6 to 10 days. Typically, that's how long we see people here.
Okay. And since Sistersville became part of Memorial Health System, what are some of the changes that you have seen? And I know, we talk about services that have come and demand of the community in terms of what services they need. I know we brought new services. Can you share a little bit of that with us?
Yeah, not only the new services, but Memorial has helped us grow. Their backing for all the departments, from therapy to the nursing staff, it's allowed us to grow in our space. And quite frankly, we're just kind of outgrowing our space right now. So it's time.
Well, it's interesting. You're talking about outgrowing the space. There's been lots of excitement. It's no secret that since Memorial Health System has acquired Sistersville General Hospital, that the plan has been to build a new facility here. We're getting so close. Actually, so close. We've got a groundbreaking coming up on May 28th, but we'll talk about that. But tell us a little bit about why a new facility is needed.
It's critical. If you walk around, you'll see this building has served its purpose, for its time, but it's come to the end of its life, and it's time for something new. Our community is very excited about it. I can't tell you how many times I've been asked, so when's the new hospital coming? So the plans are in place, and we're excited.
Yeah. And so May 28th, we'll have a groundbreaking. Senator Justice is going to be joining us. What do you think that day is going to be like for the community and the team that works here?
It's going to be great. It's going to be uplifting for the community and the staff. It'll give everyone a chance to get together and kind of, set aside the rumors that.
Right. It's the promise. I think you've said that. It's the promise to our community that we're bringing a hospital. And again, that's going to be May 28th right here in Sistersville at 2:00. We hope that you can join us. There'll be more information coming. And Jason, before we leave, if people need to learn more about the services here or need help navigating that, what's the best way for them to go about that?
Sure, just visit sistersvillegeneralhospital.org, and it has a full list of services.
Jason, thank you for joining us today and sharing the incredible work that's taking place at Sistersville General Hospital. It's clear your leadership and your team's dedication is helping this community.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. And to our viewers, thank you for spending time with us and your continued support of Memorial Health Foundation. Your generosity fuels progress, expands access to care, and strengthens our entire health system, from Marietta to Sistersville and beyond. Keep an eye on your inbox for the next edition of Caring Unveiled, where we'll continue to share inspiring stories and meaningful updates. If there's something you would like us to feature in a future program, I'd love to hear from you. Don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, thank you for being a vital part of our mission. Take care, and we look forward to connecting again soon.